Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The photo bin shows thumbnail images of all the images you have open in Elements. This can be a handy feature if you are working with multiple files simultaneously. You can also display different views of the same image if needed. To view the photo bin if it isn't displayed, click the Photo Bin button at the far left end of the taskbar. The drop-down in the upper left corner of the photo bin lets you select what to show within the photo bin. The default choice of Show Open Files shows the images you have opened from within Photoshop Elements. If you have media selected in the organizer, you can choose the Show Files Selected in Organizer choice from this dropdown to show those images in the photo bin. You can also select the names of any albums or album categories you have created in the organizer from this dropdown to show the media from those albums in the photo bin. To open the photos in the photo bin in the Image window of Photoshop Elements, double-click a thumbnail image in the photo bin. To display different views of the same image currently shown within the Image window, choose View, New Window for Image Name from the menu bar. The second view of the image will then open in a new Image window. You can zoom in and out of either image and toggle between the views. If viewing multiple copies of the same image, non-view related changes made to the image will appear within the other views of the same image. To close the photo bin, click the Photo Bin button in the taskbar again.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.